Let's count from 1 to 10 with some animal friends. Sing loud and move around.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. One monkey swinging in a tree. 2. Two turtles splashing in the sea. 3. Three kittens chase a bouncy ball. 4. 4 giraffes are standing tall. 5. 5 penguins slide on icy snow. 6. 6 buzzing bees fly through the air. 7. 7 bunnies hop without a care. 8. 8 frogs leap from lily pads. 9. 9 owls hoot with happy dads. 10. 10 puppies bark and wag their tails. Great job! Let's count the numbers all again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 9, 10. Let's count, clap, and move our feet. 1 monkey swinging in a tree. 2 turtles splashing in the sea. 3 kittens chase a bouncy ball. 4 giraffes are standing tall. 5 penguins slide on icy snow. Counting fast! Now here we go! Let's count, clap, and move our feet. Numbers make the song so sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Let's keep going. 6 to 10. 6 buzzing bees fly through the air. 7 bunnies hop without a care. 8 frogs leap from lily pads. 9 owls hoot with happy dads. 10 puppies bark and wag their tails. Count with us on number trails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count, clap, and move our feet. Numbers make the song so sweet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count them all again. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far. Shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, grow,